Now listen though. Do you understand what you've just seen?
I believe I saw a deer. Well, a critter.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Okay. I'm sorry. You know, I know that you're new at this, and I'm trying to be nice. That was not a deer. You know, that could have been a reindeer, any kind of thing. That back there was actually a North American white-tailed deer. Okay.
How could you tell?
Well, it has a white tail, dumbass.
Dumbass.
What's going on out there, all you arcade frenzy stinkers? We are here at my house.
Again.
What?
You said it again, didn't you?
Well, that didn't take long, did it? Come on. Alright, we got Yardley London oatmeal and almond. Hopefully it'll taste a little better. Alright, here we go. Will you get back with the camera, man? It's stuck in my teeth big time. It's just like I feel over my teeth, it's just smooth. That is awful.
Shiny clean.
No, you go stink yourself, bud. And I ain't put no more in there for that.
I believe you are.
I got a curse. I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, but you're a dang stinker. I had no regrets.
Go put it in.
I ain't putting it in. Here we go. This right here, guys. Most people who just clicked on this because they saw a fidget spinner in the name, they've left by now. So all you Arcade Frenzy faithful that are still here after that stupidity.
Brandy.
This right here is a spinner, a fidget spinner. This is a Just Link brand. And we're going to see if it'll claw today. We'll see if it'll claw by itself and its packaging. And also at the same time, we got ourselves a little darn comfort cube. We're going to see if we can pick that up too by itself and in the package. So we ready to go?
I'm ready.
I don't know if that's is that very good to be doing?
Well, it's oatmeal, so.
Yeah, well I picked the oatmeal flavor because I thought that it might be a little nicer, but it's not. I don't know if it's good to be swallowing a whole bunch of chemicals. Alright. I'm trying to figure out how can we pick this up. I think if I put it on top of a ball here, I'm going to see if I can get it with the ball. Or maybe even by itself. So we're going to use it in our claw machine here. Our darn clean sweep. Alright, I'm going to try to pick it up with the ball. There we go. Come on. Oh. Oh. Boom! First try win. Look at that right there. We got her. Got ourselves a dang darn fidget spinner.
Boom.
Boom right there. So, should we try winning it in the packaging?
Yeah, in the package.
We'll try winning it in the special little package it came in.
Special.
Special delivery. This little treat right here.
Ding dong.
Alright. Right there. Let's try to, we'll just see if it'll pick up only that. See if we can get ourselves a little clamperoo action. Try to see if I can push it off this ball right there so it closes. Oh, oh, oh! Hey, not what I was trying to do, but we still want it. I'm 2 for 2 now. Alright, well we're moving on to the comfort cube here. This little thing, this is going to be tougher to win. Oh, I love this. Alright, how should we win this?
You win it.
I'll just set it there. See if it'll clamp around it, you think, or what? I'm gonna let the I'm gonna put it down a little ways and then just let it close itself. So we're going to speed up the video here. It didn't work the way I was hoping it would. What if we try to get it with the ball here? What do you think?
Try it.
That's just going to be tougher. You know? I got to get it perfectly down centered around it. Let's check our angles here. Oh, I was hoping I could push it on there because I don't think going easy on it's going to do the trick. Let's try it in the box, would you say?
Do it. Tasty stuff.
It's not. It's getting worse by every second that it's in there. It is stuck between my teeth.
That's what you get.
Why don't you try some?
No thanks.
Shut up. Alright, we'll try grabbing this box. Here we go. I gotta have a perfect grab for that. Yes, it's not going the way I want it to. It's not gonna go. Yeah, if I was hoping to get the prongs like that, we'll try that again. Try to move the prongs around, maybe. Get it going. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh! We want ourselves a ball. Alright, we'll just put it right like that. See if we can get ourselves a little length on this. Oh. It's gonna be tough. Hey, flashback to an old episode where we won a little treat like this.
Haven't opened it yet.
We won ourselves a boat. I love the thumbnail of that video. We're cruising around in a speedboat.
Yeah.
That's not going away.
Go gargle some water.
I'm making a video right now, aren't I? Jerk.
Get some bubbles in your mouth.
Shut up. There we go. Try to grab around that. Alright, we'll drop right down there into that, you know?
I know.
Ugh. It's just getting worse. Oh, I messed it up. If I mess up, I'll have to try again. I thought that was going to be a quick gag, and then the video would start, but it's bad. I messed up again. Okay, look at there. Because I was trying to grab that ball with it, but now I'm going to focus on this. It should be a little easier. Come on. Let's try that. Tape might not be strong enough to hold that up. It'd be great if we can get this. I don't like that we've got it so far away from the sheet though. That close. Well, comfort cube, no. Fidget spinner, heck darn yeah, we were able to do it. I'm gonna go wash my mouth out a little more. It was numbing my entire mouth. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Or don't, because it's a free country. We'll see you next time.
I discovered a Benjamin on the sidewalk. Who took it? That claw. Guy got his tax return and boy it was a haul. Who took it? That claw. That rapscallion claw. Cause everything goes back to the claw. They're wallet it all. They give all they own to the scallywag claw.